Hi, this is Lynn from Lynn's Chalk Studio featuring Magnolia Design Company, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use the Ombre method. So I'm going to use some of our new paste colors, Raspberry, Sugar Plum, and Baby Pink are the three colors I'm going to use. I'm going to start with Raspberry. And I'm going to stir this up to make sure that it's the right consistency. You really want it to be creamy, yogurt-like, pudding-like, not too runny and definitely not too dry. And then the second paste I'm going to use is Sugar Plum. Same thing. We're going to open that up. We're going to stir it up quick, make sure that we've got the right consistency, and we do. And the next one's going to be Baby Pink. So, another exciting new color. This came out in the spring, and it's just yummy, yummy, yummy Baby Pink. So there we go. Those are our three colors, and I'm going to start with our Raspberry. I'm going with pink colors because I have girls. Girls, girls, girls in our family. So I'm going to start just off of the screen part of the stencil. And I'm going to come across there. And I think I'm going to do like another half row with this. Just get a little bit more on my squeegee. Come across. Get that excess off. There we go. Now you can see I didn't go all the way across on that last upper line here, and I'm okay with that because we're going to work it all in and blend it really nice. So I'm going to get my Sugar Plum, and again, gorgeous color. And then I'm going to come over this row as close as I possibly can. I didn't have enough chalk paste on there. I'm actually going to come down here a little bit, come across, down here, and then let's go and get our excess off. And we're going to go on to our Baby Pink. So Baby Pink will be our last color of our ombre here. And again, I'm going to try to get as close to that top line of the Sugar Plum. And again, go in, wipe off my excess. It's a little tough on those edges. I'm going to come across here. Now, I don't know how well you can see this. I'm actually going to hold it up for you. But as we did this, you can see definitely where each of the chalk paste colors came together. So what we're going to do is just take a finger and we're going to rub across, and we're going to blend that together. And then we're going to do the same thing between the Raspberry and the Sugar Plum. Get that all done. I'm going to wipe off my fingers here quick because I don't want to get any of that extra paste that I have on my fingers. Love to be a messy crafter. That's why ombre is so fun, as is the hot mess technique. So we're just going to take and we're going to pull this up, get it from the middle, we'll pull it down, and there we have our happy birthday sign using the ombre method. So I hope you enjoyed learning this method. To learn more about our projects and to shop or join, I've got my website right here. And you know, seriously, chalking is just a lot of fun. And make quick signs for birthdays, Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, 4th of July. And here you go, that ombre method. And we did it opposite of what normally we would, and we're good with that. It looks great. Happy chalking!